Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I am Japneet and I am conducting this session. And today we are going to start tenses. And we are doing past perfect tense today. As you already know, we have done also past tense, simple past tense and past continuous tense in my previous videos. If you want to see those videos, you can check. Now, what is past perfect tense? The past perfect is a verb tense which is used to show that an action took place once or many times before another point in the past. ऐसा एक्शन जो पास्ट में हमारे पहले ही हो चुका है बहुत बार एक पॉइंट तक, उसे पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के थ्रू हम बताते हैं. Past perfect refers to the time earlier than before now. जो पहले का समय है उसके बारे में बताता है, अभी से जो पहले है. It is used to make it clear that one event happened before another in the past. Past के ही दो events हैं, लेकिन कौन सा पहले हुआ है और कौन सा बाद में हुआ है इसके बारे में हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के थ्रू बता सकते हैं. It does not matter which event is mentioned first. The tense makes it clear which one happened first. तो इससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि कौन सा इवेंट पहले हुआ है या बाद में, लेकिन जब आप सेंटेंस पढ़ेंगे या सुनेंगे तो आपको वो सेंटेंस को पढ़ते ही या सुनते ही पता चल जाएगा कि कौन सा इवेंट पहले हुआ था, क्योंकि सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन ही ऐसी होती है. वी विल सी. So, past perfect tense, it tells you the action finished before another past action. Like I have told you before कि it doesn't matter which action happened first, but by reading or by listening that sentence you can take a estimate that which action performed first. When we arrived, the film had started. So here you can see that film already started and then they arrived. So first action is film started and the second action is they arrived. All right. Next, the past perfect tense tells you about how long to point in the past. कितने समय के लिए ये चीज़ past में हुई थी, इसके बारे में हमें past perfect tense बताता है. When he graduated, he had been in London for 6 years. जब वो ग्रेजुएट हुआ था तब वो लंदन 6 साल के लिए रहा. तो हमें एक टाइम पीरियड, कितना लॉन्ग टाइम पीरियड था वो, उसके बारे में हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के थ्रू बता सकते हैं. इट ऑल्सो टेल्स द अनरियल चीज़ें हैं पास्ट में उनके बारे में बताता है. आई विश आई हैडंट गॉन टू बेड सो लेट. सो जो भी अनरियल चीज़ें कि मैं विश कर रही हूँ, तो विशेस रियल नहीं होती हैं, विशेस आर अनरियल. ऑलराइट. Now let's see subject verb agreement. So how do we put verbs according to past perfect tense with the subject? You already know what is subject is, the doer of the sentence. If you are not aware about subject and predicate, do watch my video of the sentences. So it will be clear that how you have to make sentence. So I am just telling you here that how you have to use past perfect tense in a sentence. So the rule for past perfect tense is in first, second and third person. In all of them you use had with it plus the past form of the verb. I, he, she, it, you, we, they सबके साथ had use होगा और past form of verb. And if you're not aware of past forms of verb, then you can check my video of verbs. I have given the past forms of regular and irregular verbs. I have given a long list of verbs there. As much as I can give the possible verbs, you can check there. Now moving on to the some examples of past perfect tense. As I've given you rules, so I am showing some examples according to the rules so that you can make sentences and use them in your daily life and you can communicate with the help of them. So I had completed the task. मैं टास्क कंप्लीट कर चुकी हूँ. रोहन हैड लिव्ड इन पेरिस फॉर 10 years. रोहन रहा था पेरिस में 10 साल के लिए. स्वाति हैड कम लेट टू स्कूल. तो स्वाति स्कूल लेट आई है. यू हैड शॉप्ड इन द मार्केट बिफोर यू केम बैक. तुम पहले मार्केट में शॉपिंग करके फिर घर वापस आए. वी वॉच्ड मूवी इन दैट सिनेप्लेक्स बिफोर ही केम. उसके आने से पहले हमने मूवी देखी सिनेप्लेक्स में. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट दे हैड वॉच्ड मूवी फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड एक्शन इज दैट ही केम बैक. They had played hockey in the field before it started to rain. उन्होंने हॉकी खेली फील्ड में बारिश आने से पहले. So which action happened first? They played hockey. And second action is that it rained after they played hockey. So in these sentences you can see two actions are happening in the same sentence and you can estimated that which action is happening first and which action is happening after that. This is because we are making sentences in past perfect tense. Alright, I hope you have understood it well. Thank you everyone for watching and I hope you liked it. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care. Stay safe and stay home.